Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Akanksha and today's workout is all about working out with a jump rope. This video includes both warming and stretching after the workout. I'll explain the format of the exercise while we are doing it. Without further ado, let's jump back into the workout. First of all, I would like to tell you that this is a 40-minute workout in which you just need a skipping rope and a mat. You can follow this workout while staying at home when it is not advisable to step out during this pandemic time. Now, we'll start with warm-up. In this, we'll do 2 rounds of 3 exercises with 30 seconds on and 10 seconds off. Our first exercise is back lunge with chest opener. We'll start with back lunges. Remember, your front knee is in line with your front foot, making 90-degree angle. And when you're coming down, both your arms are front open, in line with your shoulders, and then switch legs. And repeat the same with other leg. Also, as this is a first round of warm-up, you do not have to increase your intensity much. Now we'll take 10 seconds rest. Our next exercise is jumping jacks for 30 seconds. Now stand straight with your feet together and hands by your sides. Jump up, spread your feet and bring both your hands over your head. Jump again and return to the starting position. Repeat for 30 seconds. Now talking about benefits of jumping jacks. They are full body workout. They help in strengthening bones, improve cardiovascular fitness, and it's very good for your heart health. Rest for 10 seconds. Our next exercise is world greatest stretch. We'll do this for 30 seconds. Start with arms plank position. Bring your right leg forward against your right palm. Knees bent at 90 degree. Left leg extended behind you. Most importantly, your back is flat. Now lift your right hand off the floor. Bend your right elbow at 90 degree and try to touch the floor as far as you can with your elbow without rounding your back. And then extend your arm to the ceiling and repeat it for 30 seconds. Now come back to arm plank position and switch sides by placing your left foot against your left palm and repeat for 30 seconds. Now coming to the benefits of world greatest stretch. This exercise targets every major muscles in the body, especially when you overuse sitting at the desk or a computer all day. This is good for hip flexors, glutes, quads, your lateral calves, your upper and lower back, shoulders and abdominals. You can do this exercise to prepare your body for workout or end the session. Time to rest for 10 seconds. Have a sip of water if you want to. Now you can pause this video and repeat these 3 exercises for one more time before moving to the main workout. Now, in part 1 of our main workout, we'll have 2 exercises. We'll do each exercise for 30 seconds and then we'll rest for 10 seconds. We'll have 4 rounds of part 1 of our main workout. Our first exercise is push-ups. Get on the floor on your hands and toes. Your hands are wider than your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Remember, you're not sagging in the middle or arching your back. Your feet can be close together or a bit wider depending on what is most comfortable to you. Inhale as you slowly bend your elbows and lower yourself until your elbows are at 90 degrees. Exhale as you begin contracting your chest muscles and pushing back up your hands to the starting position. Our next exercise is jump rope. You can start with holding the rope while keeping your hands at a hip level. Rotate your wrists to swing the rope and jump. You can jump with both feet at a time, one foot at a time, alternating between feet and repeat for 30 seconds. Remember not to hold the breath and breathe properly. Now, time to rest for 10 seconds. Have a sip of water if you want to. You can pause this video and do 3 more sets of these 2 exercises. Now, moving to the second part of our main workout. In this, we'll do 4 rounds of 3 exercises We'll perform each exercise for 30 seconds and rest for 10 seconds in between. Our first exercise is plank jacks. Start in plank position with your arms extended and directly under your shoulders, feet together. Your body is in straight line from your head to heels. Engage your abs, keep your core tight. Now jump both feet out wide to each sides and come back to neutral position and repeat. Plank jacks targets the muscles of the core and also activates the muscles in the hips and the back. Now rest for 10 seconds, have a sip of water. Our next exercise is jump rope for 30 seconds. In the meantime, I should tell you, when jumping rope is combined with other high intensity interval exercises, it helps in reducing fat loss faster. Moreover, jumping rope also improves your heart rate as it gets your heart rate pumping at a very high rate. It also strengthens bone density and also makes bones stronger. By now you're completely exhausted, but few more seconds to go before the rest. Now it's time to rest for 10 seconds. Have a sip of water. Our next exercise is high knees. We'll do it for 30 seconds. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Lift your right knee to the chest. Switch to left knee to the chest and continue the movement. If you're swinging hands opposite to the leg, will help you to move faster and keep up the pace. If you are a beginner, you can march in place by slowly lifting one knee at a time to your chest. High knees are great workout to combine in circuit to elevate the heart rate. It engages your core, strengthen all the muscles in your legs. It improves momentum, coordination and flexibility. Now you can rest for 10 seconds, have a sip of water if you want to. Now pause this video to perform 3 more sets of part 2 of main workout. Now moving on to the third part of our main workout. In this also we have 4 rounds of 3 exercises with 30 seconds on and 10 seconds off. Our first exercise is side to side mountain climbers. Come onto the arms plank position. Your palms are directly under your shoulders. Make sure your head is in line with your toes. Your eyes are gazing onto the floor. Your back is flat, your abs are engaged and your weight is evenly distributed on your hands and on your toes. Now pull your right knee into your chest towards your right armpit as far as you can. Switch legs by pulling one knee out and bringing other knee in. If you are a beginner, you can switch legs one at a time at a slower pace. Relax guys for 10 seconds, have a sip of water. Our next exercise is jump rope for 30 seconds. Now grab a rope and start jumping. If you are a beginner, you can jump with alternating between feet. And if you are advanced in jumping rope, you can add other variations also to make jumping rope fun with better results. Here I am doing basic jumping rope, easy and yet effective. Keep going guys. Remember, this is helping in reducing your belly fat, your love handles, your thighs, your arms and extra fat all over your body. Keep going for a few more seconds before taking a rest of 10 seconds. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, engage your core, step backward with your right foot landing on the ball of your right foot. Now push through the heel of your left foot and come back into the squat position. You can keep your hands on the waist or fold your palms forward. Focus on keeping your core engaged and hips tucked in. From here, come up and repeat the same on the left side. This is a low intensity exercise yet very effective for your glutes, your hamstrings and your core. Have a sip of water if you want to. Now you can pause this video to repeat 3 more sets of part 3 of main workout. Now it's time to work on a core. In this we'll have 4 rounds of 2 exercises of 30 seconds each with 10 seconds of rest. Our first exercise is plank. Here we are doing elbow planks. Place your elbows directly below your shoulders. Knees off the floor. Maintain straight line from your head to heels. That is, your spine is straight, core is tucked in, hips are not drooping down, legs are straight, your eyes are grazing on the floor, neck is not drooping down. If you're trembling by now, You are doing it completely right. Just bear the pain to reduce those flaps, those extra fat from your stomach. Planks works upon your core, your obliques, your lower back and glutes as well. Time to rest for 10 seconds. Relax. Make the most of these 10 seconds. Our next exercise is bicycle crunches. Lie down on the floor, knees bent, feet on the floor, fingers on the temple of your forehead. Now contract your core muscles and slowly raise your knees to about 90 degrees, lifting your feet from the floor. Exhale and slowly go through the bicycle pedal motion. Now contract your core muscle and try to touch your knee with your elbow opposite side by twisting your torso. Now contract your core muscle and try to touch your knee with the elbow of opposite side. Continue with other leg in bicycle pedal motion. Time to rest for 10 seconds. You can pause the video here and repeat the core workout 3 more times. Our first stretch is pigeon pose. First, come in mountain position. From here, bring your right knee in between your palms, slide your left leg back, point your toes, heel is pointing up. From here, walk your hands forward, rest your stomach on your knees. You can rest your forearms and your forehead on the mat. Stay here for a few more seconds. Straighten your hands and back. And come onto the mountain position. From here, bring your left knee between your palms, move forward with your palm, lie on the knees, stay here for a few breaths. Now again, bring back your palms and straighten your back. And come out of the posture. Our next stretch is chest stretch. First, come onto the palms and knees. Knees are slightly wider than your hips. From here, come onto the child's pose. And try to bring your chest closer to the floor and hands are completely extended forward. From here, extend your right hand at a 90-degree angle to your left hand and look towards your left side, opposite to your right hand. And try to bring your right shoulder closer to the floor. Stay here for a few breaths and now repeat on the other side. This stretch is very good for your upper body. Congratulations guys, you have successfully completed today's 40-minute workout. Now, as you have headed towards a good day, eat healthy and drink plenty of water. That's it for today guys. If you like my video, please hit like button, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Sorry. अब ऐसे नहीं, इधर से लो ना। मैं लग कैसी हूँ मुझे तो ये भी नहीं पता। ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, एक्सरसाइज कर अच्छी लगता है। बोलो? Okay, that's it for today guys. If you like my video, please hit like button, share my... ऐसा नहीं होता, चलो अब चलते हैं।